Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Welcome to Kids Stay Home.
Are you ready, everybody? This is the Elbow Show. This is the Elbow Show. We'll tell you what you want to know about the body. This is the Elbow Show. It's not just about the elbow. It's also about the head, the shoulders, the knees, and the toes.
Hello everybody at home. Welcome to the Elbow Show. My name is Faye. I'm from Rolypoly Family, and today is our last episode for a while with the Elbow Show. We are going to be talking about our legs. Our legs are at the lower part of our bodies, and they help support our bodies as well as help us walk. What are the parts of our legs? Our feet, ankles, calves, knees, and thighs are part of our legs. Although some people might also consider where the legs attach to the hips as part of the legs. Our legs are on the lower part of our bodies. They support our bodies and help us walk and do a lot of other things actually. Our legs help us crawl, like when we were babies, or even now when we just feel like crawling. I suddenly love to crawl. We might have crawled when we were babies, and actually you can crawl anytime you want. Don't let anybody stop you. No, just crawl. Our legs also help us walk and run and even jump. Okay, so I have a little warm-up for our legs. This is especially dedicated to people who enjoy cycling but don't want to leave their homes. Let's lay down on our backs, lift up our legs, and cycle our legs like we have an upside down bicycle. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Make sure you have some clear space. Have your hands on the floor, lay back, lift up your legs, and go for it.
Are you ready, everybody? This is the Elbow Show.
Question time. Why do I feel like there are so many ants all over my legs after sitting for a very long time, but I see no ants? I'm calling the professor of dance, who will surely have the answer. Knock knock. Hi, Professor of Dance.
Hi!
Okay, the question for today is, why do I feel ants all over my legs, this tingly feeling after I've been sitting around for a long time?
That feeling is called pins and needles. They are not ants and are not really pins and needles either. It's called pins and needles because of the prickly feeling. Pins and needles happen when you sit or lay in a position that puts pressure on a part of your body in a way that stops the blood from flowing there. In this position, including sometimes when you're sitting for a very long time, your own body pushes on the nerves that should have been sending messages to your brain, but couldn't. In a way, the pins and needles are like an alarm going off. It says, "This is too much pressure for too long. Please change your position." So if you get pins and needles, just get up, shake your legs out, and find a new position. If you always feel pins and needles though, even after changing your position, it would be time to have it checked by a doctor.
I see. Thank you, Professor of Dance. That explains the ants I feel crawling all over my legs after having sit around for a long time. Well, maybe I shouldn't be sitting around for a long time anyway. Alright, so what is our dance move for today, Professor of Dance?
Today's dance move is called the Leggy Leggo. It's a little dance you can do to feel your legs again and let go of all the tension you might feel from all the pins and needles. Ready? Let's go!
Thanks, Professor of Dance, for the Leggy Lego. I had plenty of fun, and I hope you enjoyed the Leggy dances I had outdoors as well. So kids at home, thank you for watching all the elbow shows and moving along with your bodies. This has been the last episode for a while for the elbow show, and we're so grateful to 3 Pumpkins for inviting us along on this journey. Everybody, we hope that you stay safe, take care of your bodies, take care of each other's bodies, and we'll see you sometime again. For now, signing off, the Elbow Show. Bye-bye!
This is going to be our last episode for a while. So, I thought I'd leave you with a special challenge. Can you get closer to the ground without moving your legs much? Share your responses to this challenge with us by tagging @Rolypoly Family SG and @3 Pumpkins. I look forward to seeing all your videos and ideas. Bye! Happy dancing!
Hey kids, if you are inspired by today's video and decide to make something, anything, share it with us with the hashtag 3Pumpkins and stand a chance to be featured in our next video. See you next time. Bye!